It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.
Toolbox, Yogi MD 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 Toolbox, Yogi MD.
Now it's time for an extended side angle with the strap. We did Warrior 2 last week. From a wide-legged pose, turn your right toes in ever so slightly to the midline. Turn your left toes out to the left. Bend the left knee over the ankle. Keep your hips and shoulders facing forward. Stretch the strap across your chest, making light fists touching either side of the wall. Then extend over to your left, keeping the strap strong between your hands and your spine lengthened, looking up or forward or down. And breathe, grounding through your feet, feeling strong. Inhale to come up and release the pose, unbending the knee, bringing the toes forward to change sides, pointing the right toes to the right, left toe slightly in, right knee over ankle, lengthen from tailbone to crown of head, stretching the strap, feeling a long neck, strong shoulder blades in and down your back, looking up, forward, or down, and breathing. Feeling the expansion of the pose. Come up slowly. Release the pose slowly. And see you next time.
Yogi MD Toolbox, 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 Yogi MD Toolbox.
It's the Yogi MD Toolbox.